The purpose of making this video about Brahmandpadi Shri Saptashakti Mahagranth reading is just for information. With this, we are not insulting any human, animal, birds, caste, religion or sect. All the information given in this video is really told by Shri Maskoba Nath Maharaj Ji. So this video is only made for devotees of Nath Maharaj Ji. Then there is no need to clarify any concept to anybody. Thank you.
हिंदू धर्म ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री हे आपलं आवडतं चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, व्हिडिओज लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा आणि आमच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करून घेण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनचे बटन दाबायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.
प्रेम मस्कोबा नाथा, जय जय श्री राजा भाऊ नाथा.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिवशंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ प्रसन्न. ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिवशंभो राजा रामेश्वर महाराज उर्फ राजा भाऊनाथ प्रसन्न. ओम नमः शिवाय. जय देव जय काळ भैरव, जय देव जय काळ भैरव.
भद्र केदारनाथाला उत्पन्न झाले, काळ भैरवनाथ नामे प्रसिद्ध झाले.
जय देव जय काळ भैरव, जय देव जय काळ भैरव.
ॐ भूर्भुर्गव आदिशक्ति ब्रह्माण्डच्च दिव्यशक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थच्च परमेश्वराय नमेन. गायत्रीयं कालभैरव दिव्यशक्ति नमो शिवाय.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महाग्रंथ. ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महापंथ. सत्य हाच धर्म. जसा खवळलेला समुद्र, जसा पूर्ण आकाश, जसा सूर्य, तसा मी.
The eagle is the vehicle of the invisible force of the universe. Immediately after the cosmic invisible force took on a feminine form in the atmosphere, it took on the form of light. From the light of the cosmic invisible force, another flame was created, and that light immediately took on feminine form. After which the cosmic invisible force merged into the original flame atmosphere.
From the light of Adrushya Shakti, the flame of a force called the universe, ninth Shakti, has been created. They have 9 eyes on their face, and there are 9 major powers. The brightness of the color of each force is different, and the brightness, light rays of that color emanate from each of their eyes. The universe is manifested as a force consisting of 9 major forces. The upper body is the female human body from the west up of the universe, 9 Tej Shakti, and lower body part from the west is the body of the donkey female. His face is round and he has a forehead like ours. He has 3 eyes on his forehead. From the right eye on his forehead, the bright red rays of the invisible power of the universe are coming out. From the middle eye, on the forehead, the bright 9 rays of yellow light of the universe are coming out. From the left eye, on the forehead, bright purple light rays of the radiant cosmic power are coming out. The universe 9 Tesh Shakti has 2 eyes like ours, and third eye is in the middle of both eyes. From his right eye, Sri Aditya Shakti's bright light rays of grey color, earthy color are coming out. Vijatva Shakti's bright white rays of light are coming out from his left eye. Sri Navtesh Shakti has a nose like an elephant's trunk and 3 eyes. 3 eyes are on its trunk. From the first eye, which is above trunk, the bright pink rays of divinity are coming out. From the eye in the middle of trunk, the orange rays of divine power are coming out. From the lower eye of trunk, the bright blue rays of illusory power are coming out. Each of Navtesh Shakti of the universe has eyelids and eyebrows like ours. Brahmanda Navtesh Shakti has a nose like an elephant's trunk and a mouth is inside of that trunk. They have elephant-like teeth in their mouth. They have 2 ears like ours. They have big hair on their heads like women and have big curls of hair. They have 2 large horn-like horns on their heads. Their foreheads, there is a large vertical horn like that woman-like neck on his shoulders. They have 2 arms of a man on their chest and 1 arm of a woman just below in the middle of both arms. They have no belly button. They have 2 hands like ours. The palms of both hands have 5 fingers like ours. They have 2 large wings like eagles on their backs. The lower part of the body from the waist down is the body of donkey female. The body color of Mahanda Navtesh Shakti is black and they are tall. Sri Brahmanda Adrushya Shakti has given him the weapon Trishul. Their vehicle is crow bird. Sri Parameshwari Shakti has created human beings and has created saints and innumerable deities for the welfare of human beings. If you keep in your mind fixed on any deity and meditate in peace and concentration, and after that, deity attains the state of meditation. The flame of that color, divine radiance, comes closer to that deity in the form of that power. The flame of that color appears in front of that deity and that deity is pleased with that deity. For example, when a deity was meditating on a divine deity, Sri Parameshwari Shakti, after that deity attained the state of meditation, the orange flame of divine power, the divine radiance of orange color appears before that deity. Sri Parameshwari Shakti would have become before that deity from that light, and that deity would be pleased with that deity, and that deity would get that power, and that deity's desire would be fulfilled by that power. When a human being meditates in the name of particular deity by keeping his mind steady and concentrating calmly, the deity does not come in front of the human being but in the name of that deity. While Sri Brahmanda Shakti took a form of Jyoti in the form of female form of Navtesh Shakti. And that place, the flame of Sri Brahmanda Adrushya Shakti came, and in the light of invisible power of the universe, the flame of Brahmanda Navtesh Shakti merged. After the two lights become one, that flame of the invisible power of the universe began to travel in the atmosphere. And there another flame created from that light. Both the lights came to the center of the atmosphere while traveling, and there the flame of Brahmanda invisible power has stopped there. And the light created by Sri Brahmanda invisible power immediately assumed the form of female human being called Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti. His face is round. They do not have a forehead like ours, but their forehead is high and big. They have only two eyes like ours. The eyes have no eyelashes, but only eyebrows. They have a nose like eagle's beak, and lips and mouth are like us. On his shoulders, a woman like two arms are on their chest. They have a belly button also. They do not have a forehead like us, but their forehead is high and big. They have only two eyes like ours. The eyes have no eyelashes, but only eyebrows. They have nose like eagle's beak, and lips and mouth is like us. Mouth has teeth and tongue. They have 2 ears like us. They have loose hair on their head. They have 2 large horn-shaped horns like a bull on their head. He has a neck like ours on his shoulders, and a woman has 2 arms on his chest. They have a belly button also. They have 2 hands like ours. The palms of both hands have 5 fingers each, and fingernails are as big as a sword. They have 2 feet like ours. Both feet have 5 fingers like us. The toenails are as big as a sword. On their backs, there are 2 large wings like the wings of eagle. The glorious Brahmanda Shakti has a sword in his right hand and a trident in his left hand, and the vehicle is a cuckoo bird. Thanks a lot. In the next third episode, you can see
after Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti assumed the form of a woman, a flame called Sri Aditya Shakti appeared from her whole body, and that flame stopped there. Then a flame called Brahmanda Shakti appeared from the entire female form of Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti, and after the flame also stopped there, a flame called Sri Vijitva Shakti appeared from the entire feminine body of Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti, and that flame also stopped there. After that, a flame called Sri Divyatva Shakti appeared from the entire feminine body of Sri Tejasvi Brahmanda Shakti, and the flame is also stopped there.
ॐ श्रीनाथ भस्कोबानाथ श्रीराजा भावनाथ प्रत्यक्ष येऊनी अवतारात श्रीराजा भावनाथांचे गुरु श्रीनाथ भस्कोबा राजा भाऊनाथ श्रीनाथ म्हस्कोबानाथ तिन्ही एक संकट व विचार करुनी 33 कोटी देवतांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथांचा प्रत्यक्ष अरण्येश्वर दरबार भावभक्ती व येणारे त्यांचा गुरु व श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथ 1000 पदव्या घेऊन पदवीत नाव श्री राजा भाऊनाथ शिव शंभो श्री राजा रामेश्वर पृथ्वी संकट आत्मलिंग गुरु पौर्णिमा दिवशी आत्मलिंग बोलावलेली त्यांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर नवनाथ प्रकाश ह्या काळात घडलेला नवनाथांमधला श्री राजा भाऊनाथ ओम नमः शिवाय श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथ श्रीनाथ म्हस्कोबानाथ आई जोगेश्वरी कान्हुबाईश्वरी श्री काळभैरवनाथ तात्या महाराज पुण्येश्वरी दरबार येऊनी ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथ 33 कोटी व ब्रह्मांड पदवीचे श्री राजा भाऊनाथ श्री राजा भाऊनाथ श्री राजा भाऊनाथ
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.